it's Amber with ExpressTruckTax, and I want to tell you why ExpressTruckTax is the #1 option to file your Form 2290. Obviously, we are the best because we've been in the industry for 12 years, and we are here to help you with your Form 2290 and your IFTA and your TMS with Trucklogic. So we have lots of different solutions for the trucking industry. But talking about ExpressTruckTax and the 2290, our support is out of this world. Could you put some aliens like flying through the screen there? Because it's out of this world. We are here in our Rock Hill office Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 5:30 Eastern, and in the 2 weeks leading up to the Form 2290 deadline on August 31st, we have a split shift and we're here. And so if you do have any questions about your 2290, if you've already filed, if you haven't filed, what do I do if I need to file? You know, there's all kind of questions. You do this once a year. We literally do this all day, every day, 365 days a year. So we do have more knowledge than you, and that's why we're here to help you. And that's what sets ExpressTruckTax apart. So you can reach us in 3 ways. #1 is through our support. So support at ExpressTruckTax.com. We have dedicated team members monitoring our emails. And so if you do have a question and you want to just send in an email, you will get a response back within a couple of minutes, either with steps to help you or, hey, call us or let us call you, or whatever might happen. The second way to get in contact with us is through live chat. So if you're on the website ExpressTruckTax.com, down in the right-hand corner, there's a little chat bubble. If you're inside the application, so if you're on your dashboard or if you're in the middle of filing, again, that chat bubble is down there. You can click it open at any time, ask us a question, and then mute us back down if we give you an answer. The third way that you can communicate with us is through phone. So again, Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 5:30, we're going to have extended hours again as we get closer to the deadline, but you can reach us by phone, 704-234-6005. And we have dedicated team members answering phone calls. If we do miss your phone call and you leave a voicemail, we're gonna call you back. So if you do have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. You can also reach out on our Facebook page. We get messages from people on our Facebook page all the time. And so however you need to get to us, make sure that you do that in plenty of time so that we can help you before the deadline. As we get closer to the deadline, we will get very busy, but we will be here and we will get back to you as quickly as we can through your method of communication. So again, thank you so much for filing with ExpressTruckTax. We seriously, really appreciate you, and we are looking forward to helping you file your 2022-23 Form 2290. If you need to get in contact, support at ExpressTruckTax.com, live chat, or 704-234-6005.